What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best truck bed toolbox. With lights on the market today, through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started.
Number 5.
In our list, the number 5 product name is UnderCover SwingCase Truck Bed Storage Box. The UnderCover SwingCase Truck Bed Storage Box is a versatile and accessible storage solution designed to fit 2007-2019 Chevy R&D Silverado Sideray 2500 driver's side. This toolbox works with various tonneau covers and offers ultimate accessibility with nearly 180° swing-out motion for easy access from the tailgate. It can also swing back into a locking position over the wheel well, allowing maximum bed access. Constructed from durable materials, this storage box can hold up to 75 lbs of cargo and features a key-lockable lid for secure storage. The included organizational tray and moisture seal add to its convenience and protection against the elements. Features: fits 2007-2019 Chevy half-cc Silverado Sideray 2500 driver's side 500 drivers. Works with various tonneau covers. 180° swing-out motion for easy access. Key-lockable lid for secure storage. Organizational tray and moisture seal included. Pros! Compatible with most tonneau covers for added versatility. Easy and convenient access to stored items. High weight capacity for heavy cargo. Key-lockable lid ensures security. Cons! May not fit other truck models or non-driver's side of the specified models. Some users may find the swing motion slightly limited by the truck's design.
Number 4.
In our list, the number 4 product name is DECT Truck Toolbox. The DECT Toolbox is tough as nails. It won't ding, dent, or rust. The DECT Truck Toolbox is constructed using injection molded high-impact resin with galvanized steel and aluminum reinforcement. The DECT Toolbox offers waterproof storage thanks to a seamless mold and integrated FDM gasket and lid channel. The toolbox is made of anti-corrosion steel and aluminum hardware, making it impervious to the environment. The DECT Truck Toolbox has a robust lock and latch system, making forced entry nearly impossible. Tub lid interface minimizes theft pry bar points. A single lock secures multiple latch points. The DECT Toolbox fits all full-size trucks from 2001 to present. If you have a full-size truck older than 2001, the toolbox will likely be compatible if your bed width is between 61.375 and 70.5 bed rail to inside bed rail. We founded DECT with a focus on creating incredibly functional, tough storage solutions for truck owners everywhere. Our toolboxes are not only an efficient way to store all your gear, they also offer top-notch security and a waterproof design. Designed, engineered, and manufactured in the United States, we are a company that cares about our customers and always goes the extra mile. We create high-quality products that honor and serve the worker, providing effective solutions for the men and women who rise early to get the work done.
Number 3.
In our list, the number 3 product name is DECT Ford Truck Bed Storage Accessories. With a 2,000-pound payload, you can haul heavy, bulky loads on top of your DECT drawer system while keeping your gear organized in 2 sliding drawers. The DECT drawer system is easy to install in your truck bed using a handful of common tools. Detailed instructions are included with every purchase. Keep tools and gear protected from the elements with a weatherproof DECT drawer system. With DECT, you can rest easy knowing your gear is safe and organized. All DECT drawer systems contain 2 drawers that run the full length of your truck bed. These drawers allow you to safely store tools and gear while offering easy access to what you need. Never crawl into your truck bed again. We founded DECT with a focus on creating incredibly functional, tough storage solutions for truck owners everywhere. Our storage systems are not only an efficient way to store all your gear, they also offer a level of security with an out-of-sight, out-of-mind design and lockable drawers. Designed, engineered, and manufactured in the United States, we are a company that cares about our customers and always goes the extra mile. We create high-quality products that honor and serve the worker, providing effective solutions for the men and women who rise early to get the work done.
Number 2.
In our list, the number 2 product name is Use Aluminum Truck Toolbox. Use crossover truck toolboxes are the tried and true way of keeping your tools organized, on hand, and fully secure no matter where you and your truck roam. Each used toolbox is built from extra thick aluminum welded into a single-piece tub. This provides the toolbox with reliable strength and helps keep the interior sealed off from the elements. Aluminum construction also makes the box highly resistant to corrosion for long-lasting use. To add even more strength to the crossover truck toolbox, the lid features our patented rigid core foam-filled design. Layered between 2 sheets of aluminum, this core greatly increases the structural integrity of the lid to prevent bending and warping and to ensure smooth opening and closing. The lid is able to open to a full 90 degrees, providing better access to tools, equipment, and other stored items. It also features self-opening struts to make it easy to open the box when your hands are full. This particular truck toolbox features a low profile, meaning the lid is built lower than our standard lid. This provides a better view out the rear cab window and additional clearance for other items in the truck bed if needed. To keep out moisture, dirt, and even insects. The lid is also fitted with a microseal gasket that seals off the inside of the toolbox from the outside elements. U.S. crossover truck toolboxes make it easy to keep your tools and other items organized, featuring built-in screwdriver holders and a 3-compartment sliding tool tray. The toolbox itself is easy to install and is available in multiple sizes to provide the perfect for your truck and lifestyle. Like all used products, each crossover truck toolbox is proudly assembled right here in the USA for style and long-lasting dependability. This product is heavily packaged for parcel shipping.
Number 1.
In our list, the number 1 product name is Buyers Products Underbody Truck Box. Protect and easily access your equipment with the Buyers Products Black Steel Underbody Truck Box with T-latch. Available in a variety of sizes, each professional-grade box is made of strong 14GA steel that can handle the harshest job sites. And it's powder-coated black inside and out for superior corrosion resistance and style. The continuous hidden hinge and replaceable gasket system keep weather and grime away from your tools. Aircraft-grade cables help prevent damage. The locking stainless steel compression latch provides a tight seal and deters theft. Mount the box on any flat surface or under your truck using Buyers Products mounting brackets sold separately. See accessories below.